right. Ezekiel Butterthighs here. It is 1 p.m., August 1st. We are trading. Yes, we are. Let's get it started.
Jerk off!
Oh, yeah, that's me. That's me. All right, I'm only up $1,000 today. I was up $3,000, but I continue to hold my NVDA positions. In fact, I've even added to them a little bit. I began the day up about 4,000, maybe 3,000. Let's look at the chart here, and I'll tell you what I think is going to happen with NVIDIA and what has happened. Okay, we zoom out a little bit. Let's do 5 minutes. All right, here's today. Now, I sold up here at the top. I had a very, very large position. I had, what, 24 calls, and my target was 120. So at 120 this morning, right here, I exited 19 of those calls, kept 5 of them, which is why I'm losing money. And I've also added 3 more calls throughout the day. About one here, one here, one here. I'm sort of price averaging in on a slightly bigger NVIDIA position. So here's we started with 5 this morning. Well, we started with 24, then we went down to 5 at the top, and then I added 3 as the day went on. Oh, geez. Come on, zoom out. So, yeah, so that's where we're at. We've got 8 calls now. Yeah. How do I feel about it? You know?
I like it!
I do. I like it. I'm happy with it. So what's it at right now? In NVIDIA, it is 1:06 p.m. It's at 111.25. What I'm looking for here, what I'd really like to see, and if you watched my last video, I told you that we might drop back down to 110, right? And that's why I lightened up quite a bit at 120, because I thought, you know what? Today might get ugly. We might drop back down to 110, and we basically have already. But I want to see us go all the way down to 110, maybe even capitulate through 110, down to, say, the 107, 108 range. And if I see that happen this afternoon, I'm going to get in pretty good on NVIDIA, because that would mark a bottom to me, all right? 110 is the level, but I'd like to see a capitulation type move to mark a bottom right through 110, down to 109, 108, 107, something like that, and then a bounce back up. That's what I think is going to happen today. I feel very good about that. Look, we're taking another red candle down here. So here's 110. This line is 110. We're moving lower. We're at 110.62. Now, I'd love to see the capitulation down move right through 110, down to, say, let's say 108, something like that. If we get down to that in a sharp, fast move this afternoon, I will buy a healthy, short-term, long position in NVIDIA. Like, we're talking calls that expire tomorrow, all right? Because I'll feel pretty confident that that's a bottom. I will. I think we might bottom out this afternoon with a capitulation move. So that's what I'm looking for here. Meanwhile, I'm taking a drubbing waiting for it, right? Yeah, I'm only up 900 on the day, but whatever, you know. I had a big win yesterday. This is a good opportunity to make some money. I'm not going to be a puss about it, you know?
I'm not
No,
tired.
I'm not. I'm ready. I'm ready to do some damage here today. I'm ready to do some damage. especially if we get that capitulation move down below 110. Give me a capitulation move below 110. I will take that. I will run with it. Yes, I will. All right, and I might have picked a good time to stream because it might be coming right about now. Now, if anybody was watching me live, they might actually be able to make some money here with me, but hey, whatever. So I've got 8 calls in NVIDIA right now. Most of them are, 5 of them are left over from yesterday. 3 of them I've bought on the way down. One at like 114, one at like 112, one at like 111. So I'm losing on all of them. I mean, I'm, taking a little bit of a hit here, but I'm taking that hit with faith that we will come back. Now, I'd really like to see a nice, healthy down move right through 110. Come on, baby. Give me that capitulation move. Right below 110.
I'm here for the gangbang.
And I can get a nice, fat, chunky position. Yes, I can. I'm getting ready for it. I'm getting ready for it here, folks. All right, we're at 110.30. Do we want to capitulate lower here? Come on, baby. Let me see a breakdown. Which, I mean, paradoxically would be really against my position. But if we see a breakdown here, I got a good feeling I'm gonna crush this trade. I may crush this trade. Come on, baby. Give me a little something, something. It's bizarre. I'm like rooting for myself to lose money here. Here comes 110. All right. We're on 110. All right. I am teeing up. I am teeing up buying calls here. Are we going to break through 110 and capitulate? Right now. Is that going to happen right now? We're at 110. Come on, baby. Tempted to buy just like a regular option here. Probably will. All right. I bought one. I just bought one singular option. In case this is a bottom, case we bottomed at like 110 exactly, which I don't think we did, honestly. I think there's still going to be a capitulation move lower. But if we did just sort of bottom, like a lazy bottom at 110, I mean, I should trust my gut. I really don't think we bottomed there. But we did tap 110, which is a level, and I mean, we're bouncing off of it a little bit, maybe. I don't know. Stupid, honestly. But whatever, I'm buying a call. I bought one call at 110. I just don't think it's the bottom. That's all. It's still a good play. It's just not a bottom. And that call I just bought expires 23rd of August. It's like a long term. It's not really a I'm gonna crush this friggin' thing move. I want a crush move here. All right, we're dancing around 110 again. Dancing around it, dancing around it. This market is going to capitulate. It's going to come here. And capitulation means a sharp, fast down move to mark a bottom. So if we're going to capitulate, now's the time. It's 1:15 p.m., August 1st. Come on. Give me a capitulation move here, and I will come with you. What I want to see in a capitulation move, I just want to see a nice, sharp, downward red candle down to, say, 108, 107. Something like that. I will get in good. I will get in strong. Wrong. Come on. Give me that capitulation move. You can do it. You can do it.
A man as smart as you has probably considered this. A man as smart as you probably has a plan.
I do have a plan. Yes, I do. There is a possibility, like we're going up a little bit now, there is a possibility we just sort of bottomed at 110, that we just tapped it and that's all it took. That was the bottom right there. I don't think so. But it's possible. It's possible. It's definitely possible. My waiting pipe. It's the pipe I use while I'm waiting. Waiting pipe. Waiting pipe.
Come on!
Come on. I get my hat. Waiting hat and waiting pipe. All right. NVIDIA is at 110.32. It is 1:20 p.m. I am waiting for a capitulation down move here. And if I see one in NVIDIA, I will get in pretty good with call options expiring tomorrow. Come on.
Come on!
All right, we're at 110. $109.94. 109.79. All right, we got to get a little more serious now. More serious here. That comes off. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 109.77. Why am I cheering against myself? I should not be cheering against myself. $109.77. Come on, I want to see a capitulation type move here. Give me something fast and sharp. Heading back towards 110. Okay. Looks like it's just sort of floating around the 110 level, which, I mean, makes sense. It is an important level. 110 is a level, so it makes sense that we're going to float around it at least for a little bit. $109.60. It's 1:22 p.m. August 1st. It's a Thursday. 109.5. Come on, capitulate. Capitulate here. Come on.
Come on!
Let's capitulate. Okay, here we go. 109.3. All right, I'm starting to tee up here. Let me get ready. 109.2. We're getting a nice red candle we want to see. Give me that capitulation candle down to, say, like I said, the 107, 108 range. And I'll get in good. 109.1. I mean, this is it, honestly. I mean, we've broken 110. If we're going to capitulate, I'd really like to see it here with this move. This down move right here. Meanwhile, it's killing me on the profit loss. Down to only a $500 win for today. Fuckers. $109 flat, 109.0, and it is forming a nice candle here. 108.8. Only 0.65, 108.58. Maybe I'll start grabbing a few here. One 8.6, 108.8, 3. All right, I just grabbed 3 111 calls. One 8.5. Baby, you done? I don't think you're done quite yet. I think you're done quite yet. Bouncing a little here. No, 8.85. No, 9. Did we bottom? And I said the 108 range. We got to 108.5, I think. What did we get to? Yeah, 108.43. I think that's a bottom. Ooh, tough call. Tough call, tough call. All right, here's where we're at. We're at 109 exactly, pretty much. We bottom. Was that 108.4 the bottom? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, if we bounce hard here, yeah, I'll think that was the bottom. But I mean, it was a sharp down move, past 110. Wasn't quite as pronounced as I would have liked. I mean, I was looking for 108, 107, not 108.4. So I'm wary here. Where's your bottom, NVIDIA? Where's your bottom? I'm trying to find the right entrance to get in on NVDA here. I'd like to see a bottom today. I'd like to see a bottom. Where's your bottom, baby? Where's your bottom? Allergies. Allergies are terrible. Is that your bottom? Was it? Was it your bottom? Tell me. Tell me if it was your bottom.
Come on!
Come on. Give me a little something. Oh, it's still bouncing. $109.5. Oh, shit. Somebody's calling me. Hold on. All right, I'm back. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Jerk
That's
off!
me. Rooting against myself for most of today. Hoping we have a capitulation move lower when I am at positive, well, I'm only at a positive 285 delta. Wait, does that include these? No. All right, no, I'm at a positive 459 delta. That's a bigger position. In NVIDIA, I've got a bunch of calls now. I've been sort of stocking up on calls all the way down, and I'm waiting for a bottom here today. I'd like to see a capitulation move lower down to the 107, 108 range on a sharp, fast move. That would give me confidence that we have hit a bottom. Just don't know, though. Don't know when. I don't know if. Come on, baby. Come on, NVIDIA. $109.32. We're putzing around here. All right. Putz away. Putz away. All right. Ezekiel Butterthighs here, and we are getting the move I've been waiting for. Right there. That was the 108, 107 range. Boom. Hitting it hard. There you go. Yeah. Okay. Just bought 5 calls for 111 for tomorrow. Okay. Come on, baby. All right. This looks like a bottom to me. We're at 107.64. I said the 107, 108 range is a bottom. All right. Taking a risk here. I just bought 10 calls expiring tomorrow. 10, 111 calls expiring tomorrow. You can see it right here. August 2nd, 10, 111 strike calls. Mark, $1.30. I think this is a bottom. I mean, not exactly a bottom, but within a couple of points and within a few minutes type bottom. Now, I could be wrong about this. If I'm wrong, my instincts are wrong. But if I'm right about this being a bottom, I mean, that's a pretty damn good call. Damn good call. As you can see, my entire profit for the day is gone. Up only $49 today. I opened up about $4,000. Yuck. That's not fun, watching all of your profits for the day disappear. Now, mind you, I said in the video this morning, I may very well have to watch that happen. I mean, I was mentally ready for this move here. All right. What was our bottom? 107.41. I mean, I said the 107, 108 range. If this is the bottom, I mean, we're back up to 108.5 now. If this is the bottom, holy shit balls.
Boy, do I hate being right all the time.
I'm getting cocky here. Probably not the bottom. Probably not. I mean, what do I know? What do I know? Probably not the bottom. All right. So, what would mark this as the bottom for me? Obviously, the obvious thing is breaking above 110. If we break above 110, which has been the level, which I think is the level. If we get that capitulation move down to 107.4, which I said the 107 to 108 range, and then we bounce back above 110, I will feel fairly convinced that we have bottomed here. So that's what we're waiting for now. Do I know for sure that we bottomed? No, I don't. We could have another sharp move lower here. So I wouldn't bet your house on it or anything. But it looks bottomy to me. Just, I need us to break above 110 in a somewhat convincing way for me to feel really safe in terms of saying, you know what, that was a bottom. Oh, yeah. About that women's gymnastics team, huh? Go USA! Go USA! That's me, the Thundercats. Only the gymnastics team had the Thundercats on it, They'd be unbeatable. Can't beat the Thundercats when it comes to flips and tumbles, vaulting, rings. I bet they're good at all of them. Superheroes generally are.
Holy shit. Hey, Mikey, I think he likes it. How about some more? Hell yes. Hell yeah.
Thundercats are loose. Do-do. Hear the magic, hear the roar. Thundercats are loose. Do-do. Thunder, 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 Thundercats. Thunder, 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 Thundercats. NVIDIA at 108.5. 108.5. Kind of a neutral price here. If we head up around past 110, I'll think we're definitely bottomed. If we have another sharp move lower, then yeah, not so much, obviously. Although I will say I'm not liking the bounce here. If we were going to bounce, I kind of want the bounce to be a little sharper than this. You know, stalling here looks a little yucky. It is 1:51 p.m. NVIDIA is at 108.5. I mean, if we bottomed at 107.41, which is right here, I definitely thought that might be the bottom. I'd like to see us bounce a little sharper off of it. A little bit of a crisper bounce than this. We're stalling out at this 108.5 range. I mean, I don't like that in terms of bounces. Bounces are supposed to be a little bit crisper, a little bit faster, a little bit sharper when you bounce off a bottom. So, I mean, I'm not all negative on it yet, but
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
approaching 109. All right, this I like a little better. Oh, terrible allergies today. Either that or a head cold. I don't even know. Just want to sleep. Just want to sleep. Can't. Because I'm in the middle of a big trade. What do you guys think of my chair, huh? It's a beauty. All of the fake leather has been torn off. Can't even see the seat. I mean, the seat is, oh my God. It's just ripped in shreds. All right, Daddy needs a new chair. That's what we're playing for today. Come on, NVIDIA. Bounce now. Let's let that be a bottom. Daddy needs a new chair. 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 Come on, baby.
I love it when a plan comes together.
That's right. It's together. Again, this bounce isn't quite as crisp as I want it to be. 109.1. I mean, you can see the bounce here, but it's not sharp. I mean, it still has time to develop into something sharp, and so I'm not negative on it yet. I'm just not sold that we bottomed. I mean, what defines a bottom? A capitulation move lower, and we might have had that right here. This might be our capitulation move lower down to 107.4, which is exactly the range where I wanted it to be. But how do you know that you've bottomed for sure? When you bounce. That's how you know you've bottomed, when the bounce comes. There's really no other way to know for sure. You need to get the bounce. Once the bounce comes, you'll know you have bottomed. And this bounce is meh. It's developing. It's just not as pretty as I would like, you know. Yeah. Not quite as pretty as I would have liked.
Can't stand it anymore. I've got to get out of here. I've got to get out of here. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Stewardess, please let me handle this.
I've got to get
Calm down. Now get back to your seat. I'll take care of this. Calm down. Calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Doctor, you're wanted on the phone.
108.9. Yucky. Yuck. Hate staring at the market like tick for tick. Ugh, it's so annoying. I'm doing it because I'm streaming here, but honestly, I'd rather be like watching a TV show, looking at it once every 3 or 4 minutes. Maybe that's why this bounce higher feels slow to me. I'm like staring at it tick for tick. And usually I don't really do that. 109.3. Okay. On 9.4. 9.4. It is now 1:58 p.m. Approaching 2 p.m.
I'm not
No, I'm
tired.
not. I'm not. I'm tired. A little tired. I'm a little tired.
I'm tired from battle.
Yeah. Staring at the market tick for tick is exhausting. It's boring and exhausting. That's right. What I do is boring. Except you make and lose a lot of money, which makes it interesting. Ooh, 109.6. 9.6, baby. Well, 9.6. And the 10 calls I bought at my bottom are up $375. Oh, 370, 360. Approaching that 110 level. Remember, I want to break 110 to really convince me that we did bottom and this bounce is for real. And we are approaching 110 right about now.
Boy, do I hate being right all the time.
Yeah, I hate being right, baby. Now, I bought a bunch of calls down here. I bought 10 calls down here. Short-term calls expiring tomorrow, which I almost never do. I don't like to buy short-dated calls. I mean, the moves I play usually happen within a day or two. I mean, I want moves that are going to happen within 1, 2, or 3 days. At most, really. I'm really a swing trader. I trade for 1 or 2 day moves. But even though the moves I'm trading are 1 or 2 days, the theta loss and the theta burn on options expiring today or tomorrow is just so high, it doesn't make sense to buy them, you know? Unless you feel almost absolutely positive you are going to get a giant move. It's just not a good idea. It's better to buy them 2 or 3 weeks out and have not eat the theta loss, you know? That's just my opinion. I mean, are there people out there that play zero DTEs? Yeah, I mean, I guess there are. I can't blame you. And if that's your strategy, go for it. But I just think the theta loss on short-dated options is just too punishing to overcome. Even if your plays are only meant to be a day or two, you just don't want to eat that kind of... I tend to think of theta as the VIG. You know, that's the VIG you pay the market makers. You kind of want to minimize that to an extent. All right, we ran up to 110. We basically kissed 110. Let's see. Yeah, 109.97. And now we're headed lower again, 109.30, 2:02 p.m. Remember, for me to really call this a bottom, this 107.41, in order to call that a bottom, I really want us to break above 110. And we didn't do that there. We kissed it. We never broke above it, and we certainly didn't convincingly smash above it. Waiting pipe. Waiting pipe. I'm going to use this pipe as a signal to myself that I should probably edit this part of the video out. $109.4, $109.3, up about $800 today. Really, really want to see us smash above 110. All right, my time of rooting for capitulation is through. I think we capitulated. I think we bottomed. I'd like a break above 110 to confirm that bottom. E. Come on. 109.1. Here's where we're at. Here's our 110 line right here. Come on. $109 flat. Yuck. Yuck. Whatever. Look, I've made my feelings known here. Maybe we bottomed. I hope we did. We need a break above 110 to confirm that bottom. That's my hope. Let's see. But I'm taking a break. I can't stare at these numbers. It's mustard shit. Getting in people's heads. You know, you got to stay loose below the belt. Below the belt. All right.
Jerk off!
That's right. That's right. All right. Ezekiel Butterthighs out.